Hi Tim, Pete is programming with Fusion again. Yes, exactly, maintenance should come by as soon as possible. Thanks. If you're trying to create everyday G-code with overly complex CAD-CAM like Fusion, your session could end up like Pete's. When design work is not in play, creating G-code with Kipware Conversational CAM is a game-changer. Kipware is easy to use, creates G-code using only fill-in-the-blank forms with no CAD, no drawing and even no G-code experience required. Using CAD-CAM to create G-code to machine everyday workpieces like these is overkill. Can slow down the programming process and remove good chipmakers from that process. Kipware Conversational can also address any CNC programming skills shortage. Having a simpler G-code creation option that can get more people involved in G-code creation will make your shop see faster turnaround and increased output. That, in turn, will mean more new clients and bigger profits. Maybe it's time for your shop to dump the CAD, but keep the CAM with Kipware Conversational CAM. Explore more at www.kipware.com.